In the past few weeks, I've spent over 100 hours diving into the latest AI tools available to people like you and me, and I've put together a solid list of 7 side hustles using AI tools that are either really cheap or absolutely free. You can think of me as like a messenger from the future.
Come with me if you want to live.
My name's Andy, welcome to the channel, and let's get into it. So the first one just seems to be getting easier and easier every day, and it will continue to do so when we get advancements like the new Sora that's recently been released. This is Faceless YouTube videos. So if you've always liked the idea of having a YouTube channel or a TikTok, but you've never felt comfortable showing your face, back in the day, you used to have to spend hours and often your own money finding the perfect stock photos and stock videos to try and tell your story visually. But these days, you don't have to do that. You can just type exactly what you want into image generator AI tools like dall-e, for example, which is actually in Canva as well now. You type exactly what you want in there and it'll give you the perfect image that goes along with what you're talking about. Also, thanks to AI voice generation tools in free software such as CapCut, you don't even need to talk anymore. You can just type your text in, and then using the text-to-speech software,
it'll give you the voice as well.
And learning the skills for this side hustle is also going to make you perfectly equipped for tackling the next side hustle, which is freelance video editing. Now, I only recently switched to CapCut from Premiere Pro, and it's a free software. Well, there is a paid option, but most of the tools in there are free. And that basically does what your old sort of traditional software like Premiere Pro did, or most of it anyway, in like a fraction of the time. So you can definitely take advantage of that. You don't even need to be editing whole videos for someone. For example, you can put gigs on like Fiverr or Upwork, where you'll just add subtitles to people's shorts, or you can say, right, give us your long form YouTube video, I'll cut it into shorts, add those like Hormozy style subtitles, and then give you the shorts back. Because often people just don't have the time to do that sort of thing themselves. For you, it's going to be very easy. You just load it into CapCut, run the transcript software, you've got a few styles to choose from, and then you're going to be putting out top quality content. People don't know just how easy it is to do that sort of thing these days, and they will pay you money for it. Do you know how I know that? Because I paid someone to do it about 6 months ago because I didn't know about it. And I'm in the YouTube game. So think about how many sort of brick and mortar businesses there are out there that want someone to handle their social media. They see all these fancy shorts of all the text and everything like that. They think, I want that. They think it's really difficult. You can come along and they will be thanking you for doing it for a reasonable price that's not going to take you too long at all. All right, changing the tact a little bit for these next ones. And if you're more interested in sort of product-based side hustles, then you're going to love these ones. If you Google AI children's bookmaker, you're going to see that this is already a booming industry. Now, most of these apps that are out there are designed for parents to make stories about their own children, like it has their name in and what they look like and things like that. But a lot of people don't even know about this. And if they do, they don't have time to do this. So there's absolutely no reason why you can't start your own little children's book business. You can sell your stories on places like Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, even Amazon. You can offer off-the-shelf stories with certain names that people can choose from, or you can even offer a custom service. And regular viewers to my channel will know by now that as soon as you offer it anything custom, you can charge a lot more. And once you get things moving along and really get your brand built up, you can set up your own social medias and Shopify store, and you've got your very own fully fledged business. In that same vein, do you remember when adult colouring books were all the rage? Now, they used to take a long time to do, and for that reason, the subject matters of the colouring books were always pretty mainstream. You know, they'd be just like generic butterflies or wildlife or something like that. And that was because it took a long time to do. But now, thanks to AI software, like any hobby, interest, niche you want, you just type it into apps like dall-e, and within seconds, it will produce an absolutely perfect colouring in picture for you. And like I said, any niche you can think of, you can decide how narrow you want to go or how general you want to go based on demand and how much competition there is out there. You can do beekeeping, you can do extreme ironing. You're only limited by your imagination on this one. By the way, if you want to show me a bit of appreciation for the hours of research I've put into this one, then please hit the like button. You'd be doing me an absolute solid. And if you're interested in seeing more content like this, hit the subscribe button. And while you're having fun with AI image generation, why not push the boat out with this next side hustle? If you feel like you've always had good ideas for t-shirt designs, but you've always sort of lacked the artistic capabilities, then now might be the perfect time for you to get on board. I've been using dall-e, which is part of GPT+, and to give you an idea of what's possible, here's some weird existential art I made the other day. Best way to get started is just to play around with the different apps and software until you figure out your own style. You can sell your t-shirt designs on print-on-demand marketplaces such as Redbubble, but personally, I'd be trying to create the t-shirts myself, print them myself, using either plastisol transfers, heat pressed onto blank t-shirts, or just getting them printed overseas and imported, so there's minimal manual labor involved. If you're like me and you love the sound of these AI image generators, then I think you're really going to love this next one too. All businesses need logos. Some can't do it themselves. Some can't afford to pay hundreds, if not thousands, to professional graphic designers. That's where you come in, charging very reasonable prices, and you could be turning around sort of 3, 5, 10 options of logos in under an hour for your clients. Take a look at this guy on Fiverr. He's charging 24 Aussie dollars for the basic package of 3 logo options, and he's had 38,000 sales. He's been on Fiverr for 9 years, so that's just over $100,000 per year. That is insane. Now, I'm not saying this particular guy is using AI, but I'm saying to the average eye, they're not going to know the difference. There are many AI logo apps out there, but this one's my favorite. It's simply called Logo, which is in the GPT Plus store, which is kind of like an app store built on top of ChatGPT. It's $20 a month for GPT Plus, which I think is worth it because you get so many apps and you can even make your own ones. But I totally understand if you don't want to pay that. And there are definitely other logo generation AIs out there that don't cost you anything at all. The new logo for this channel was built with that particular app, and the new channel banner for this channel was built on that app and then expanded on Photoshop using its AI generative fill. If you want to check that out, just click on the channel. For the record, I still think professional graphic designers are way better than AI, and businesses with the budget to afford them should definitely still go down that route. Now, if you're the kind of person who loves to be showered with praise and called a magician and basically just adored, then this next side hustle's for you. Photo restoration. So imagine you're like a wealthy lady and you want to do something for your dad's 80th birthday. You want to make him a nice photo from when he was young, but all you've got is like a little tiny black and white photo. That's not really going to cut it. And then you see someone on Facebook Marketplace offering to colorize that photo, make it HD and beautiful and big for the reasonable price of $20, you're going to be absolutely snapping that up. So Photoshop's got really good AI tools to do this, and that's what I'd recommend if you can afford it. But check out this free one I found on Google. So you basically upload your photo, click generate, click enhance, and bam. And you got to think, some people have got whole albums of photos like this. So you could definitely be offering bulk prices for like, you know, price per 20, price per 50, even 100. And that work used to take hours, if not days, to do manually. And the reason I mentioned Facebook Marketplace for finding your clients on this is I think you're going to have better luck finding people like in the real world, because online competition for this job is very high. There's a lot of people that are offering to do it, especially when you're competing with people internationally. You just won't be able to charge very much at all. As exciting as all of these AI side hustles are, there are actually what I call safe side hustles that are guaranteed to make you income and fast. Watch this video next. That's the safe list. They're not going to make you a multi-millionaire, but they are guaranteed to make you income. You cannot fail at them, and you can start earning money within the next day or so.